What up, guys? I hope you're all good. Today we're gonna go through this assignment. I wanted to code from scratch, but I'm not good with coding, and also no, I mean I'm not good with. I forgot. Oh well, I lost my skills in terms of coding web pages. And it's also a waste of time because you guys have assignments. Like for me to do an hour video on this is a waste of time. So I'm just gonna go through this question paper. The reason why your question paper says, the reason why it says 2021 is because I did this assignment last year. Facts. So that's why, the school didn't want to create a new assignment, but that's fine. At least it's a benefit because at least you guys have friends that are doing third year that we did this. So yeah. But it's not nice, man, to leave you guys hanging and they don't as help you that much. This assignment was very challenging. Like if you don't know HTML and CSS, it's very challenging. It requires practice. Then you realize how easy this is. So question 1 wants you to create this whole thing, right? You don't only create this, you create that one on top plus this one and all these and plus the padded section. Let me go through my last year assignments with you guys. So yeah, this is my stuff, the work I did last year. You can see 2021, like yeah. So we're gonna go through this. I might not explain everything, but I can explain the few codes with this. If you don't understand what I'm about to say, guys, watch my introduction to web development in the previous video. But if you do understand, you could watch along. Question 1, you should create this. So basically you do your standard procedure, code like this, HTML, and type also HTML. And while you are coding like maybe halfway, don't forget to save this and save it to the folder that you created. There was a folder here, maybe around here, and then you see like mine and save it here. The way you organize your folder, it's up to you. You can say your name, surname, student number, or whatever the case might be. Yeah, you know how you did it last year, so yeah. Everyone's different in life. We don't always have to have all the same. So web development is very complex. Things happen. So yeah, so HTML first, then you create your head. I created title question 1 because you know where title is, isn't it? It's like somewhere up here when you open your web page. And then div, all this is like HTML. Then these parts are CSS as well as this, it's CSS. Yeah, so now border. They were saying this sentence, which means that they wanted you to actually code this in here. So you added a 25 padding, right? So, oh crap, where's your... Okay, so you added your 25 green border. So it's just, you call your border 25 solid green border. There are types, there's solid, there's thin, there's things like that. You really need to practice HTML and CSS and all these things. It's very confusing, but it's simple, confusing. Simple but confusing at the same time. Background color, like they said, they want yellow. All these requirements, they said this for this section so that you could create this beautiful green yellow box, and you close your style, close your head, and then all this, and then yeah. Okay, basically you can look at my stuff, right? You can pause and take a picture and start coding it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're done. Sharp. So now we can see that we followed the question. Now we want to see if our web page looks exactly. Okay, so now, okay, so okay, sorry guys, I made a flop here. So now we can open this and close that quickly. Eman, you lie, this is mine. Okay, so as you can see, our thingy looks like this, man. But then I think I flopped somewhere. Yo, this was last year. I never typed. I never typed the padded section for some reason. I don't know what was wrong with me. But then this is the way it looks like here. But not okay. So if I opened in full. Okay, yes, I remember last year I submitted my assignment like this, and that was my flop. I thought they wanted just the green box. Oh shucks, this is why I flopped. Guys, you're supposed to also type this area. Don't leave it out. And also this one, don't leave it out. Oh, biggest mistake that I did. This, yeah, first year I did this, but then like for the exam they put this question. No, it wasn't for the exam. Isn't it for your practical? You do your assignment, test, and exam. For exam, it was a different story. For test, when we went to campus, they put this exact assignment, and I made sure I typed it like everything as exact. It must look exactly. So I'm grateful for that. But because I was starting out, I made so many mistakes. So yeah. Okay, so let me try and code the way I'm supposed to code for full marks. All right, so so this is, you see my div class. This, you're saying that this function must go for this paragraph. That's how the color, that's how everything fell into place. So I forgot last year. I didn't come prepared for this. Okay, calm down, Willie, calm down, everything's gonna be fine. Okay, so let's start coding this, right? You know BR, right, is for making it halfway. Guys, okay, I'm just gonna go straight to the point. I apologize. I really like explaining, but I know it wastes a lot of time. Okay, so that's the question paper. Let me start typing. Ooh, okay, shucks. Okay, the thingy. Okay, it looks fine. Okay. So we say P is this section is padded. I'm getting this from here, right? You just type as is, guys. You don't have to panic and stress about, no, but maybe do this first or do this first. You know what I'm saying? So you relax. I could even say top. It won't make a difference because breakdown breaks the line and puts it on another new line. It creates a new line, basically. So yeah, 10 crap. What did I? How did I? Oh, okay. I know what I did. Okay. 10 px. Semicolon. When I do this, it doesn't really break any line. It just continues that line, unless if I did BR. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Bottom is 0 XP. Wow, guys. Last year I didn't take web development seriously. Like I don't know why. I didn't take it as something I need to be good and share my passion for. I was into programming. I wasn't into this web development for some reason. Maybe I hate Notepad, that's why. But yeah, I treated it like a module, not like something I really love doing. But it's very interesting, guys. A lot of us, we sleep on web development. PX. But it's hard. Somehow it's really hard, you know? PT, actually. PT. Wow. Okay. PT. Fifi, do you love me? I've been writing, gonna need me. And you love me. I've been writing, try me, cause I want you and I need you. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know what I just said. Okay, good question. Now, let's create a paragraph here. Actually, let's say heading 2, because heading 1 will make the thingy look bigger. Demonstrating. Okay, demonstrating. Oh crap! Demonstrating the box model. Wow, guys, close your tags. Ah, God. Okay. BR. Well, actually, we don't need BR again. That's madness. We can just do like skip. Okay, for I was gonna say P here, and then close P, and then maybe we skip. We can just skip once. Yeah, it's not really a problem. Yeah. So, anyways, the CSS box model is essentially a box that wrapping around and wraps every HTML. Wow. Okay, so element actually, yeah. This is annoying, so let's just do like this. So it's not like it's nothing special really. Did I forget? Oh my god, I just did. Close your P, bruh. The P is silent. Element. Oh, okay, sorry. Consists. I thought I'll be fast, but for some reason time moves really fast and I realized I'm so slow. BR, please break a new line. Oh god. I guess I know why people like VS Code and Sublime, but it doesn't. I don't know, for some reason I don't think it functions, but maybe it does. Bear with me, bear with HTML. You're gonna use it a lot. I mean Notepad++, you're gonna use it a lot this year. How can they give you assignments so soon, bro? Like, what the hell? Consists of borders. I'm supposed to put borders here. Borders. Oh god. Okay, maybe I should have gone here and be like, woo. Okay, borders. Margin. You can organize the way you feel like, guys. Don't be. It's not like it has to look exactly like mine in terms of me doing this. You know. As long as BR, take that serious. I should stop talking. It makes things more confusing. Actual content. Content, right? Not continent. Coding is hard. Like, coding will hate you. Okay, the padding part really, I got lost here. Okay, let me just, and cut, KO in the cut. So we're gonna say padded. I think we're gonna say padded, right? Or something. I don't know, guys. But the content actual, if you can see here, it says this text is an actual content of the box. When it comes to content, you remove this and you put it here because like it says actual. I mean, legit, it did say actual. But then for this side, we're fine. And then now we have to create a div class here. But we did. I don't understand. Okay. Did we could have. Okay, maybe this, we're supposed to treat this as an outsider. Oh wow, I made a mistake. Okay, and then maybe we typed it here, but this time it should be padded class. As confusing this may look, I apologize, that's all I can say. Padded, maybe. Or maybe I was supposed to create a div class here. Maybe I wasn't supposed to complicate things the way they are right now. I was supposed to say div, another div class, and we called it padded. Now actually, okay, equal to padded. Guys, I hope this works, man. Okay, we're almost there. I don't like the way it looks, but we're almost there. Okay, maybe I was supposed to open it in full and see. It's like it didn't change anything. Okay, I get it. 25, the border must be green. Maybe I didn't do a good job here. 18 pt, width is, margin is 25. Was the margin supposed to be on top? Question is, there is something missing. I just can't put my finger at it. We didn't create the padding for this. That's the issue. We're supposed to create the padding. This thing also deserves a padding. 25px. And if we save it, because it might build a space in Yana. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so but if we open in full, it kind of, maybe the words don't look, font size 18 pt, right? Okay, 18 pt, 25px padding, we know that. Margin is 25px, we know that. Border is 25px solid green. But we have an unnecessary 25px hiding somewhere. Maybe I'm blind. We have 325px, so with that we sorted it out. Green, the pixel is fine, everything, the font size is amazing. But what is the issue? Why is it looking so so? It's not. Hey, you're fun, guys. Like it. Okay, maybe I went too far with this, but it looks fine to me. Okay, maybe I didn't do a good job. I really hate myself for that. Okay. Maybe I was supposed to say class here. Paragraph class is equal to padded. I did close the div. So yeah, ne? Oh snap, I keep forgetting minor mistakes. No, something's left off for this. This section is padded, we know that. So why is it something's missing? Top is is okay. No, man. Who coded this? Like, who wrote this rubbish? It was me. It was me, guys. Yo, I blame myself. I wrote this rubbish. Okay, 10px, right? Left is 10em. Then right is 0x. Bottom is 0x. It's a font size. Yeah, font size, we got it. Guys, I killed this. Like in my exam, yo guys, it looked, you see, this is proper. We're almost there. It's just, it looks ugly. Yo, like what the hell? Okay, but it's fine. It's just, man, I know it's not impressive, I'm not gonna lie, but appreciate. I'm just kidding. Like, I don't have the time to appreciate these things, bro. Like, this is crazy. Like, boy, how the hell I made this gray last year? How did it happen? Oh, I get it now. Maybe I wasn't supposed to do what I was doing. Okay, so here I was supposed to do that p class again and say equal to my div. Alright, so then we didn't need a closing, because if I closed it, it would complicate things, and we don't need another opening. If we save this and then we go back to run our program, proper structure. Okay, not good enough, but something, you know. I don't like this. We didn't do a good job in this part. So we're supposed to say Briar to break them down. How should it have looked like in an extra? Oh, I see where the flop is. Okay, so let's break it, right? Okay. Alright, we broke it. Hopefully it will work. Let's break it more, actually. We need to break it more, actually. Build some space. Okay, this is beautiful. It still looks the same as before. That's the floppy part. Flip. Okay, but it's still fine. I don't want to say it's fine. Maybe the display is exaggerated. Hey guys, it's Damlin. We'll never know. Okay, look, as long as we follow the instructions, that's what matters. Even if this is like this, it's like, you see there's so much gap and it's not a nice thing to see. But we did follow the instructions here, so they mustn't tell us gag. In terms of putting this gray, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this really worked, but for some reason it didn't. I want to do it, but okay guys, look, man, this thing really worked. This section is padded. How? There was a way I did this, dog. Maybe I was supposed to say padding. Nah. And go back. Padding, control save, and then we refresh here. Okay, that didn't make a damn difference. Oh, we say padding with the small, and probably we're supposed to do like, okay, no, we can do this. This section is padded. Screw it, guys. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Screw them. I'm just gonna say background color must be gray. How about that? Yeah, let's prove them the stupid people. Yeah, I didn't want to do this, but let's try background color, because padding provides its own gray color as default, but for some reason it's not doing that. So we're just gonna say we just save, and then we just say gray. Dog, this is ugly. Okay, how about light gray? Come on, dude, light gray. Come on. Yeah. You see, yeah, this is fine, guys. But then it's like you can see that this one was it's still fine. This is fine, guys. We solved question 1. Yay! Clap your hands, ne? Yeah, we solved question 1. So take a picture, quick. Ka-ching. Right? I'm going down. Take a picture. Ka-ching. Question 1. Ka-ching. Yeah, we're done with that, ne? And we know that it is saved here. So we go back. That was actually my project. To the folder you created, question 1. I lost the question. Question 2. Question 2, guys. They said you must create this. Alright. Now, in terms of the picture, you do your own research. Research the most appropriate picture, because screw them, Lean, they didn't give us a picture to work with, and they told us that you find this in Microsoft Word Art or something or whatever. I didn't find this type, so what I did was I had to research my own picture. So you need to practice in inserting pictures on a web page. That thing is really tricky. It's very sensitive. It's case sensitive. So you need to be very careful on how you do that. So basically, this is what I did. So please take a picture. Ka-ching. You took a picture, right? Or you post, whatever, you know. Then, isn't it like, that's with this. So we go down. Take a picture. Ka-ching. Alright, so there's that username here. Go down. Take your last picture. Ka-ching. Yeah, done. So this, I got the picture from this one. I researched it. I just said cool IT pics. I don't know how I said that. And this honestly was an internet thing. It was an internet thing. Yeah, so yeah. And you wanna see my output? Question 2 output. Yeah, basically this is the output. Yeah, so it's almost the same as this form. So remember me and things like that. So forgot password. It doesn't log in. You can't do anything. Reason why is because it uses HTML and CSS. Just HTML and CSS. All we need is JavaScript for it to function and tell us that we entered the wrong password and for things to work. But to actually log into something that needs another feature, another probably language to code, maybe PHP, I'm not sure, but for it to function and say you entered the wrong what, that is JavaScript. And when you're actually logging, it doesn't take you anywhere because we didn't code for that part. When you log in, you can ask JavaScript to say yes, successful login, and it stops there. You're not getting into any system. So yeah, so this is what I created. This was from internet, and so what I did was I researched for login form samples, and I found something that was similar to this. I changed a few things here. Like I changed, maybe the color was red, maybe the color was pink, I changed to red, whatever the case might be. And yeah, simple task, guys, like that. And you save it to here, and then this is your question. Then you go down to this question 4, and then you go like this is your question 4.2. Was it actually 4.2, 4.1, 4.2? I don't know. Yeah, whatever you call it. So yeah, this is what I did. This is strictly, I think maybe it does use CSS, but it looks like it strictly uses HTML. Maybe CSS came for creating a drop down box, sort of, not drop down box, but a drop down. They call this in something in Word. Yeah, so that was it. And if you wanna check the if you wanna check the code, we can check it. Snap. So yeah, this is all the code. Pause, take a picture. You see, yes, I was right. You use HTML, like CSS on this part. That was the only CSS we used for the drop cap, which was this part, right? The one that I worked with. Then the rest was strictly HTML. So yeah, take a picture. 3, 2, 1, ka-ching. You can pause whatever. This is complex. I got this from, I don't know. You don't have to reference your sources when it comes to coding, even as much as programming or web development, or even advanced PC skills. Okay, maybe there. No, advanced PC skills. If it's a practical thing, so you don't need to reference it. And yeah, that's the end of the paper. Now, what are the 5 factors when you have to consider when developing a website? And also compatibility issues and things like that. So question 4.1 and 4.5.1, I think it's the only question where you should answer your theory. That's, you see, so that's where you can you know, answer here, question 4. I answered like the way it is, but since now you have to create things change. Now you have to make introduction, conclusion, what. That's up to you. I mean, that is really a must for you guys, so do that. These ones, you change your few words to some synonyms. Like here, this I got the answers from the study guide. I think this was research. And then this one was straight up from the study guide, and I used my own words. Browser compatibility. It talks about, like, I remember I was studying this. Okay, they're saying like maybe you use like Google Chrome, US browser. The way they respond to a web page can be very different. So those are the things you need to fix that issue. Connection speed differences. Maybe there's someone in Ukraine or someone in Japan wanting to access your website. So the internet speed differs. So as a web developer, you need to make sure that your web page or your website is as light as possible. You know, it's not too much heavy, too much content, or whatever the case might be. Browser cache and download time. If you are uploading resources like PDF, music, videos on a website, make sure that it's when the user comes back to it, it has to be fast enough for them, because the cache memory already recognizes the website. Device operating system issues. It's the same thing like before in terms of the display of websites or whatever. Screen resolution, the size of the screen can, yeah, this thing you really, and my references, and that's it, man. The way you do your thing is going to be different. How you reference, how you type these things. Everyone's assignments are diverse, so yeah. Those are the only theory things I had to do. That was it. Oh, in terms of thingy, you have to make sure that, okay, let me explain this. So isn't it like you check, right? Properties, it is a .jpg. Some others are saved as .jpeg or .whatever. different types of pictures, and make sure it's exactly like you when you're coding this is exactly as you know. So then when next time when someone opens, it is saved as exactly technology rules dot jpg, the height, the width of the image, then you'll be fine. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this channel. I hope this assists you with your assignment. Good luck with them, and yeah.